what you might not know about CTE.
When we're working this semester, it's all
How to run a mill, run a lathe, do precision measurement, read drawings, and then we move on to a higher level. One of the things that I like to teach is how to write a program. And then we have these computerized machine tools that are marvelous. And they take their program they write, we check it out. We have a brand new software called VeriCut that's going to be implemented, help us not break machines, but rather figure out how to write them better, and then we run them.
Right now we're learning how to work on a lathe, and we're about to start with Mastercam. If you don't plan on going to college, you can get a job right out of high school and they'll pay you good.
I like this class. It's going to prepare you for my job in the future. I want to be an aerospace engineer. And this class could help me learn how to make certain things, I guess, for the spaceships.
We've got companies out there lining up, waiting for good students to graduate out of these programs, this program especially.